Alright, Ty. I will see you in a few hours.
Alright.
Alright, guys. Working. Today is Monday and I'm heading out to work. I just want to hop in and introduce the vlog. Today is a short day for me. I just got to be there for a few hours. So once I got work, I might head to the grocery store and pick up a few little things for me and my brother so he can feel very welcome. Well, not welcome, of course, but also so he can have, you know, some food and stuff here. But y'all, I didn't vlog much of yesterday for Christmas. Just the only clips that y'all gonna see in the vlog that's gonna go up today. I just really wasn't feeling, you know, like vlogging yesterday. I know I should have, but I just didn't. Yesterday felt different than all the past Christmases that we have had. My dad's side of the family, well, my daddy and his family wasn't able to make it yesterday, so that kind of put a little damper on some of my mood, but we all still came together and enjoyed ourselves. Still got to keep my sister in my prayers. I love you, Jasmine. Hope you'll get better soon. But yeah, I'm about to go to work and I'll catch back up with y'all when I get off. Okay, y'all, so I am in food line. I hope y'all can hear me. Just have to pick up some stuff like I told y'all.
Checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm not a nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes was about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being vulnerable. Wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool. They don't know that you be on it.
Good morning, Meal Gang. Today is Friday. It is currently 10:38. This is the beginning of my monthly reset. I will be doing a monthly reset for this video. I just have to get some things done. The new year begins Sunday, so I need to go ahead and tackle some things. I'm not sure all the things I'm gonna be tackling, but your girl got to get on her tackling for the new year. I need to wash some clothes, fold some clothes, reorganize, declutter, do a lot of things. I can run some errands. That's what I'm getting ready to get up and do in a few. I have to run to the bank and I have to go to Walmart. And I will be tagging you all along with me today. I want to come in and introduce the vlog. And I will see you guys shortly. Also, y'all, I already took my smaller tree down, garland off. And now I just have to take the ornaments off of these and take this down. Put this away, put that away, take this down. Mom, she had me and my brother and my sister. Stuff right here. And washing powder, dish detergent, fabric softener, paper towels, you know, stuff like this. And got us some toiletries, a pack of Dove soap, a pack of bar Dove soap, little stuff like that. And I just have to sort it out and put it in some containers. I think I'm gonna organize in my bathroom. Y'all, I have really been neglecting my plants. As you can see, I got to pick those dead leaves up. They about to start dying. I just haven't been watering them like I supposed to. And it's showing. And I feel bad because how I do my babies like that. I cleaned up my closet last night. I hung up all my jeans. I was gonna hang up all my jeans. My straighten up over here. I still got to do a little bit more straightening up down here, but I got majority of it done. It looks a whole lot better. When I get back home, I have to tackle my room. That's my brother's suitcase. He's still here. I need to take that stuff off and dust over there, throw some of that stuff away so I can put like that in there, because I'm trying to have my desk. I need me a little caddy so I can have my makeup in. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out where I can put my makeup. I might need to figure out something over there. And for my bathroom, I'm just gonna clean that out. I need to wipe my counters down, clean my mirror. I need to do all that type of stuff in here. I'm just showing y'all, you know, the before of things that I got to get done. And I have already cleaned my refrigerator out. You know, it's really nothing to it in here. I think I was showing y'all this in a vlog one time before. I did end up getting them, and they are pretty good. How many is left? It's 2 left, so me and my brother can split it. But anywho, y'all, me and my brother are getting ready to go to the bank. I got to get some money orders, and I have to go pay some bills, and I need to go to Walmart because I need to get me a calendar to head out, and I'll see y'all when I get to the store. Y'all, so we have made it to Walmart, and he done turned my camera on.
I did not turn your camera on.
Yes, you did.
Didn't turn your camera on.
I did turn it off.
No, you didn't. That
I
camera
did.
stay dead.
My camera do not stay dead.
Yes, it do.
No, it do not.
Well, don't blame nothing on me. That's called gas.
And this camera not even dead. What are you talking about?
That's called gaslighting.
No, you be antagonizing me. Y'all, we always arguing. It never fails. It wouldn't be a Bianca and Tashawn recap, get together, if we didn't argue. Y'all, and then he got an attitude. He got an attitude. He left me. I know you see me struggling with these cars.
I don't see you struggling.
Could you speak? Could you really be really selfish right now? This is how we go through.
And that thing don't even track the numbers.
See what Walmart got. Some sales. So y'all, we've been looking at one of these. This is
Question I have though is, does it come with the collagen pills? Or all the mess?
they must not got it out yet, y'all. I was looking good. They had in Walmart for Valentine's Day. They had the Chucky and Tiffany mugs, but I don't see them yet. Let's check the other side. What's down here?
It's all love in this one.
Cute guys. 684. I got plenty of these. I don't need no more clips. So y'all, check this out, right? So we was over there by the seafood. We was getting some crabs and stuff. They have none. So we asked the lady that had some in the bag. She talking about some. I'm pretty sure we do because we have to keep it in the bag because folks be stealing them. I was like, what? She said, yeah, they'll take them out the box and put them in their pants. I walk out. Stealing those crab legs. I mean, I'm not judging because, you know, crabs are expensive. But folks is taking them. So I guess we're gonna make chicken Alfredo tonight. So I need to get some Alfredo sauce.
Well, how many crabs are in there? Two.
Probably like 3 or 4 clusters. I should take a little precious 10.
The way I do it. Okay?
I said what?
They taste like cheddar the way I do it. Man, get that camera off.
You saw that camera on you. You knew that camera was gonna be on you.
Huh?
You knew the camera was gonna be on you.
Yeah, you can turn that camera on and off since we got in this store. How did I know the camera was gonna be on? You had to turn it on to catch Fred.
And she ready like she looked terrible.
Get off that camera. Because I gotta keep correcting.
What?
I was about to say, you keep saying looked it. Looked.
Like she looked terrible. Like she looked terrible. Okay, y'all, so I picked up this cart from Walmart and now we're about to unbox it and put it together. Okay, mirror. It's a nice little mirror. You are really cute. And that was only $1. Little pouch.
I think I'm crazy. The way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching the movies, but we ain't seen the thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but you making me give it up. 'Cause then I like to keep you up. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. Saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? 30 for 35. You wanna drink it just like water. You say it tastes like candy. So what you doing tonight?
So this is the face mask that I was showing y'all in Walmart. My brother got it for me as a Christmas gift. So we about to open it up and see what it looks like. So it has the machine, the collagen tablet 6 come in there, the little cup, brush cleaner, and the little tray thing at the bottom. Me and my brother getting ready to do this. I'm not gonna show y'all how it works and how I use it in this video. I'm gonna save that for another video that I'm gonna be doing pretty soon. But I just wanted to show y'all this little bit.
So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching the movies, but we
So I have already showed y'all in a few videos what I got for Christmas from my job. And when I showed y'all in one part what my mama got me was the whole toiletry and cleaning products and tissue and paper towels and stuff like that. Then I also showed y'all what my brother had got me. Now I'm about to show you what my father's side of the family got me. So first we have here is this roasting pan set. Here we have an electric kettle. Your girl got another electric kettle. This time it's clear. I think you can change the color of the thing if I'm not mistaken. Your girl got her a record player. You know I have been wanting a record player. So your girl got her a record player, and it's by this brand here. I do have to go get me some vinyl, so y'all stay tuned for that. Then over here, I got some more body wash. Also another towel with my initial there. And I have this cute olive green sweater. I know your girl a sucker for graphic tee. I have a Tupac graphic tee. This is from one of my good friends. She got me some lashes. This is also from the same girl, my good friend Candida. Got me this Woman Evolve book by Sarah Jakes Roberts. Diddy and his wife got me this, and this shirt. My grandma got me that, and she gave me some money. My aunt got me this, and my daddy and his wife got me another graphic tee. When I say people be understanding the assignment when it comes to things, check out Chicky. This one just says wanna play. And we did exchange names this year, and my sister had my name, and she understood the assignment. Child, I finally got me a Bass Pro Shops hat. Also got me this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Y'all, the colors is 10 out of 10. I can't wait to do an eyeshadow look with this. I also got this coat as well.
Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm just you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you won't get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling?
Okay, you guys, so now I'm getting ready to take this tree down. I'm about to take everything down. I know the lighting sucks, but I just want to go ahead and show y'all this one last look of my tree because it's about to
you keep calling me back.
If you guys enjoyed this video, if you have any questions on anything that I have said and done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And also, please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. And I will see you guys later. Bye.